Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the Gemini app not working on iPhone. So if the Gemini app keeps crashing, not loading on your iPhone, just follow the simple fixes. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. If the connection seems weak, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then try using the app again. Next, turn airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it back off again. After that, completely close the Gemini app and reopen it. For that, you need to swipe down from the bottom of your screen and remove the Gemini app from the recent apps, and then open the app again and check if the issue is fixed. You should also check if the Gemini app needs an update. For that, you need to go to App Store, search for Gemini app and then tap on update if it appears. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling the Gemini app. For that, you need to press and hold the Gemini app icon, tap on remove app and then delete the app. Lastly, you can try restarting your iPhone and see if the issue fixes. For that, you need to press and hold the power button and the volume button together until the power slider appears. Slide to power off your iPhone, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on again. Lastly, the problem could be from Gemini's server. If the servers are down or under maintenance, the app may not work properly. So those were some easy ways to fix the Gemini app not working issue on iPhone. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.